Hey everyone, I'm Katie, a painter passionate about cooking and dedicated to promoting a healthy and happy lifestyle. Welcome to my channel, where we'll journey to discover a world of health and vitality together. Diabetes diet: what to eat when you have type 2 diabetes. Surely, when you hear the name diabetes, you will encounter a wave of false and debilitating beliefs, including strict food restrictions, the prohibition of all kinds of sweets or carbohydrates, and completely changing your diet and disrupting the natural process of your daily lifestyle. However, in reality, this is not the case, and you can easily control and manage this disease by changing your lifestyle and dietary habits. Having a balanced diet can help you manage your blood sugar level, proper weight, and in general, your overall health. Your diet is a key factor in managing blood sugar levels. What you eat can significantly affect your health. This video will explain this dietary approach, how diabetes develops, and why it occurs. So, let's get started. What is diabetes, and when does it occur? The two most common types of diabetes are type 1 diabetes, which is an autoimmune disease, and type 2 diabetes, which is the most common type of diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a metabolic disorder and a chronic disease in which the body loses the ability to store and use glucose, a type of sugar, to produce energy. As a result, glucose accumulates in the blood instead of entering the cells, resulting in elevated blood sugar levels. All the carbohydrates we consume are broken down into glucose. The hormone that helps the flow of glucose from the blood to the cells is insulin, made in the pancreas. However, in this disease, for various reasons, the pancreas can no longer produce insulin, or the body cannot effectively use the produced insulin. In the long term, the accumulation of glucose in the blood can cause damage and dysfunction in various body tissues, including the heart, eyes, kidneys, and nerves. The risk factors of this disease include age, family history, excess weight, inactivity, unhealthy diet, high blood pressure, polycystic ovary syndrome, and gestational diabetes. A healthy diet for people with type 2 diabetes includes a variety of foods, low in sugar, fat, salt, fiber, and rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of the best ways to plan balanced meals is to divide the plate into the following sections. Half the plate should contain non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, and peppers. These vegetables are high in fiber and low in calories, which helps control blood sugar levels. A quarter of your plate can be dedicated to lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, or tofu. Protein helps maintain muscle mass and keeps you feeling full. The remaining quarter can also include brown rice, quinoa, or whole grain pasta. These provide complex carbohydrates and fiber that aid in managing blood sugar. Here are some of the foods that you can safely include in your diet if you have type 2 diabetes. 1. Non-starchy vegetables, like spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, bell pepper, and asparagus. Use these vegetables in various ways. Add them to salads or omelets, or simply steam or grill them. 2. Berries, include blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. To add natural sweetness, berries can be added to yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or desserts. They make a healthy and delicious topping for cereal, pancakes, or waffles. 3. Whole grains, like quinoa, brown rice, whole wheat pasta, and oatmeal. Replace refined grains with whole grains in your meals. For example, serve quinoa as a side dish with chicken or fish, make a hearty bowl of oatmeal with unsweetened almond milk for breakfast, or create a pasta salad with whole wheat pasta. 4. Lean proteins, include skinless chicken, fish, tofu, and lean cuts of meat. Grill, bake, or roast lean proteins with herbs and spices for added flavor. Enjoy them with non-starchy vegetables and whole grains. 5. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. A handful of nuts or seeds can make a great snack. Sprinkle them on yogurt, salads, or oatmeal to provide essential nutrients. 6. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Adding legumes to soups, stews, or salads is a nutritious option. You can also make delicious hummus with chickpeas or enjoy lentil-based curries. 7. Sweet potatoes. Bake sweet potatoes and drizzle them with olive oil and a dash of cinnamon. You can also mash them or use them in soups and stews. 8. Cinnamon. Use cinnamon as a natural sweetener in recipes or sprinkle it on oatmeal, yogurt, or apple dishes. It's a flavorful addition to coffee or tea as well. 9. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a creamy and protein-rich snack. Enhance its flavor with fresh berries, nuts, or seeds. 10. Avocado. Mash avocado to make guacamole or use it as a spread on whole grain bread. It's also a great addition to salads or as a topping for chili. 11. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Grill or bake fatty fish with herbs and a squeeze of lemon. They pair well with steamed vegetables and whole grains. 12. Seaweed. Seaweed is commonly used in sushi but can also be enjoyed as a snack by sautéing it with a touch of sesame oil and sesame seeds. 13. Cottage cheese. Enjoy cottage cheese or mix it with fresh fruit for a quick, protein-rich snack. It can also be added to smoothies or used as a filling for wraps or sandwiches. 14. Quinoa. Cook quinoa as a side dish or as a base for grain bowls. It's a versatile grain used in savory and sweet recipes. 15. Non-starchy soups. Prepare homemade soups using non-starchy vegetables, lean proteins, and low-sodium broth. These soups can serve as satisfying and nutritious meals. 16. Herbs and spices, basil, parsley, turmeric, cinnamon. Enhance the flavor of your dishes with herbs and spices without adding extra salt or sugar. Experiment with different herbs and spices to create delicious and healthy dishes. This should give you a comprehensive overview of incorporating these foods into your diet if you have type 2 diabetes.